Hello everyone, in this video we'll be looking at how to solve algebraic expression. Let's look at the example.
Find the values of 2q power 2 minus 4q plus 150 when q equals to 10. So you have 2q power 2 minus 4q plus 150. So you have 2 times 10 power 2 minus 4 into 10 plus 150. So 2 10 power 2 is 100 minus 4 times 10 is 40 plus 150. 2 times 100 is 200 minus 40 plus 150. 200 minus 40 is 160 plus 150 is equals to 310. Evaluate 2p raised to power 2 plus 5 when p equals to 7. 2p raised to power 2 plus 5. So you have 2p 7 raised to power 2 plus 5. 2 times 7 raised to power 2 is 49 plus 5. 2 times 49 is 98 plus 5. 98 plus 5 is 103. 2q plus 5 when k equals to 7. 2q plus 5 when q equals to 7 have 2 times 7 plus 5. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 5 equals to 19. 5x power 2 y when x equals to 10 and y equals to 3. Solution. So you have 5x power 2 y. 5x is 10 power 2 times y is 3. 5 10 power 2 is 100 times 3. 5 times 100 is 500 times 3. 500 times 3 equals to 1500. 4d minus 3f plus 2q when d equals to 7, f equals to 2, and q equals to 5. Solution. So you have 4d minus 3f plus 2q. So your d equals to 7 minus 3, your f is 2 plus 2, your q equals to 5. So 4 times 7 is 28 minus 6 plus 10. So 28 minus 6 is 22 plus 10 equals to 32. Thank you for watching.